Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by backing up everything because you are about to remove Microsoft software and possibly Windows itself. You'll want at least one verified copy on an external drive. Check a few important files to make sure the backup worked. Next, create a bootable Linux USB using a reliable tool. This will replace the system and remove Microsoft components. Also, make sure to unlink your Microsoft account and note any product keys. Doing so prevents lockouts and preserves licenses you may need later. Once done with backups and a bootable USB, reboot into UEFI/BIOS and disable fast startup and secure boot if the distro requires it. This ensures the installer can run reliably. Then boot from your USB. Choose the live session to test hardware and network before committing. When you install, pick manual partitioning if you want control. Delete or reformat the Windows partitions to remove Microsoft files. Create root and swap as needed, and proceed with installation so the new OS becomes the primary. After installation, update the new OS immediately and install any drivers for Wi-Fi or graphics so your system runs smoothly. Restore your backed up files and remove any stored Microsoft accounts or OneDrive links to complete the cleanup. Make sure the firewall and privacy settings are configured to your preference. If something goes wrong, for example, the system doesn't boot, check UEFI boot order, re-enable or toggle secure boot per distro guidance, and recreate the USB installer if corrupt. That usually solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.